Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Coders Code. In this video, we will solve 15 SQL Server interview questions. Let's start. First, we need to create some tables and data for them to test our queries. To save time, I have already written these queries for you. We will create 5 tables, namely employees, orders, sales, products, and customers. Now let's create data for these tables. We are adding some dummy data in tables. You can add different or same data than what I am adding. Our first question is: write a query to retrieve all employees from the employees table who have salary greater than $50,000. Our next question is: write a query to calculate the average salary of all employees in the employees table. For this query, we will use average function on salary column. The average function calculates the average by summing up all the values in the specified column and dividing the sum by the total number of rows in the set. It returns a single value representing the average. Here is next question. Write a query to find the top 5 customers with the highest total order amounts from the orders table. To solve this query, we are using some function on order amount column. We are using an alias as total order amount on summed column. Group the records with customer ID. And finally ordering records with total order amount, descending. Fourth question is: write a query to retrieve the count of orders placed by each customer from the orders table. To solve this, we will group results set with customer ID column and count the records in each group. Fifth question is: write a query to update the status column of the orders table to completed for all orders that have a total amount greater than $1,000. Till now we used select statements. To solve current question, we will use update statement. We will use greater than operator to filter records where order amount is greater than 1,000 and update those records. Sixth question is: write query to find all employees from employees table who have joined the company in the year 2020. To find these employees, we will use year function. The year function in SQL Server is used to extract the year component from a given date or date-time value. It allows you to retrieve only the year portion of a date, which can be useful when you need to perform calculations or comparisons based on years. Seventh question is: write a query to retrieve names of all employees from employees table whose names start with letter A. To achieve this, we will use like operator. Adding % followed by letter A means it will filter those records that starts with A, and there may or may not be any text after that. Eighth question is: write a query to calculate the total sales amount for each product category from the sales table. To solve this, we will group records in sales table by category column. Then we will sum sales amount in each group. Ninth question is: write a query to find the customers who have placed orders in both the year 2021 and 2022 from the orders table. To find this data, we will use year function on order date column and will get only those records where order date is in 2021 and 2022. Then we will group this result based on customer ID column. We will use having clause to find distinct years. If a group have count 2, it means it has records with both years. Tenth question is: write a query to retrieve the products with the highest and lowest prices from the products table. For this, we will select top 1 record from products table. If we will order by query result in descending order, then it will give us highest price. If we will order by query result in ascending order, then it will give us lowest price. Eleventh question is: write a query to calculate the total number of employees in each department from the employees table. For this, we will group employees table records based on department column. Then we will count records in each group using count function. 12th question is: write a query to find the customers who have not placed any orders from the customers table. To solve this, we will use a subquery on orders table to find all those customers who have placed at least 1 order. Then we will get only those customer names from customers table whose ID is not present in IDs returned by the subquery. Best way to do that is use not an operator. Thirteenth question is: write a query to retrieve the top 10 products with the highest sales quantity from the sales table. To solve this, we will use some function on quantity column, then we will group the result with product ID. After that, we will use order by in descending order on summed up column. This will give us desired result. Fourteenth question is: write a query to calculate the total revenue generated by each country from the orders table. To solve this, we will use some function on order amount column, then we will group the result with country column. This will give us needed result. 15th question is: write a query to find the employees who have the same manager from the employees table. For this, we will use self-join on employees table where manager is same but employee ID is different. We will use distinct keyword in query so that same name should not appear multiple times. Finally, we will group the result based on manager ID column so that employees with same name should appear together. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.